All right, today we are reviewing the Restnature mini sound machine. I am a sleep researcher and scientist and review a lot of things associated with sleep. So, the coolest thing about this is it could be the smallest noise maker I've ever seen. It's adorable, and the controls are super simple. There are four: an on-off, volume control up down, and a timer if you want it to turn off after a certain point. So it's a long press and hold for turning on, and it's a short press and hold. Try to turn it up for you. That's a wave sound kind of coming and going. So the on-off button, if you do a short press and hold, it will rotate the sounds. So that's the cricket. There are 16 different sounds, and that actually includes four very white noisy fan sounds and 12 kind of more nature sounds. Like a scream. You can tell that's pretty loud actually. I'm gonna turn it down. So pretty loud for such a small little guy. This would be perfect for travel. Super nice that it's rechargeable with a USB-C. And there you have it. Very happy with this tiny little white noise machine.